Hey guys, Cindy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you my May embellishment box from some assemblage required. So I've already peeked inside it. I'm so sorry, but I got it on retreat, so I had to take a peek. Anyway, it was tied beautifully with this ribbon, so let's get into it, right? Okay. So this is an assortment of goodies from 49 in Market. There's tickets and stamps and film strips in here. So we'll put that there. We have these beautiful wood veneer florals right here. Some kind of like twine word things that says brave, beautiful, strong. Some acrylic words that says she believed she could, so she did. Totally going to do a scrapping reflections layout with this for starting my business. Some canvas flare buttons from Scrapping Happy Studio. Girl, have fun. Girl, you got this, and you go, girl. There is this kind of chipboard from Dusty Attic. It's a bunch of flowers, so you could layer these up if you wanted to, or you could kind of use them separately. And then finally, there is a Scrapping Reflections stencil. This is super fun. This is the 6x6 version of the stencil, and I'm kind of in love with it. I can't wait to play with it and do some glitter glaze through it, because I think that would be fabulous. So anyway, that is the May embellishment box. Stay tuned to the channel because I will be creating some layouts with this box and also some other goodies from the shop. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.